Welcome to our video on the topic of self-love and how it can transform your health. Many people believe that self-love is just feeling good about yourself and enjoying life, but it is much more than that. It is about accepting yourself, flaws and all, and treating yourself with kindness and compassion. It's about understanding that you are worthy of love and care, and that you deserve to be happy and healthy. Self-love is a powerful tool that can help you improve your mental and physical health, increase your self-esteem, and lead to a better overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore the importance of self-love, the science behind it, and practical tips for incorporating self-love into your daily life. First, let's talk about understanding self-love. Self-love is the foundation of a healthy life. It is the foundation of any positive relationship, including the one you have with yourself. When you love yourself, you are less likely to settle for less than you deserve, you are less likely to be in unhealthy relationships, and you are more likely to take care of yourself. But it's not always easy to love ourselves. Sometimes we're too hard on ourselves, sometimes we compare ourselves to others, and sometimes we just don't feel good enough. And that's okay. It's important to recognize that self-love is not something that you either have or don't have, it's something that you can actively work on. To truly love and accept ourselves, it takes time and practice. And it's important to remember that self-love is a journey, not a destination. Self-love is essential for optimal health because it helps us set boundaries, make healthy choices, and cope with stress. When we love ourselves, we are more likely to take care of ourselves, and when we take care of ourselves, we are more likely to be healthy. A healthy body and a healthy mind go hand in hand, and self-love is the key to both. Now let's talk about the science behind self-love. Studies have shown that self-love is closely connected with our mental and physical health. Research has found that people who have higher levels of self-love tend to have better mental health, including less depression and anxiety. They also have higher levels of self-esteem and self-worth, which are important for overall well-being. Not only that, self-love has been linked to better physical health, such as stronger immune systems and lower levels of inflammation. This is because when we practice self-love, we are more likely to make healthy choices for ourselves, such as eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate self-love into your daily life. One of the most important things you can do is practice self-care. This includes taking the time to do things that make you feel good, such as exercising, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in hobbies that you enjoy. It also includes taking care of your physical needs, such as eating well and getting enough sleep. Another important aspect of self-love is positive self-talk. It's easy to be hard on ourselves and have negative thoughts about ourselves, but it's important to remember that we are worthy of love and care. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Additionally, journaling can also be a great tool for self-discovery and self-love. It can help you understand your thoughts and feelings better, and it can help you work through any negative thoughts or beliefs you may have about yourself. Setting boundaries, learning to say no, and creating healthy relationships are also essential for self-love. Setting boundaries helps us understand that we deserve respect and that we have the right to say no to things that are not good for us. It also means learning to put ourselves first and not sacrificing our own needs for the sake of others. Creating healthy relationships means surrounding ourselves with people who love and support us, and who will help us grow and improve. It means being selective about the people we allow in our lives and not settling for anything less than genuine and positive relationships. Mindfulness and being present can also enhance self-love. Being mindful and present can help us stay focused on the present moment, which allows us to be more aware of our thoughts and feelings, and be more compassionate to ourselves. It allows us to be more in tune with our own needs and desires and to make choices that align with them. Another important aspect of self-love is learning to forgive ourselves. We all make mistakes and we all have moments when we fall short of our own expectations. It's important to learn to let go of the past and to move forward with self-compassion and self-forgiveness. It's important to remember that self-love is not just about feeling good in the moment, it's about making a commitment to yourself to continuously work on loving and accepting yourself. It's about being patient with yourself and understanding that progress takes time. Some ways to continuously work on self-love include therapy, reading self-help books, listening to self-love podcasts, and surrounding yourself with supportive people. It's also important to understand that self-love doesn't mean being selfish, it means being kind to yourself and making sure your needs are met. It means being able to say no to things that aren't good for you and setting healthy boundaries. It also means not being afraid to ask for help when needed. Incorporating self-love into your daily life can also mean taking the time to do things that make you feel good. Whether it's treating yourself to a nice meal, taking a relaxing bath, or indulging in your favorite hobby, It's about finding joy and happiness in the little things and taking the time to appreciate them. Self-love also means being kind to yourself and treating yourself with compassion. This means not being too hard on yourself when things don't go as planned and learning to be more forgiving of yourself. It also means learning to love yourself, flaws and all, and understanding that everyone makes mistakes. In conclusion, self-love is a powerful tool that can improve your mental and physical health, increase your self-esteem and lead to a better overall well-being. It's a journey that takes time and practice, but with the help of self-care, positive self-talk, healthy relationships, mindfulness, and forgiveness, it's possible to achieve. Remember to be kind and compassionate to yourself, and know that you deserve love and care. We hope that this video has provided you with some practical tips and insights on how to practice self-love and improve your overall well-being. Thank you for watching.